This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically the Amalfi Basketweave vinyl placemats that you see here. And we have three of the colors that they offer: the Baltic Blue, Imperial Red, and the Limestone. And they come in a range of kind of styles and colors. There's 10 of them, and they go from neutral to very vibrant. So there's a lot of options for either enhancing your decor, adding a pop of color, or just adding a little bit of subtle texture. So these are a nice, durable vinyl construction, right? They're 16 by 12, so they're a great size for placemats. And their vinyl construction means that they're easily cleaned. They offer some heat resistance. So in addition to just helping keeping your tabletops clean, they can help add a layer, right? A little buffer to help keep them in good condition as well. And since it's also a nice surface for things like plates and silverware to be placed down on, they also help reduce noise. So especially if you're running a busy restaurant or cafe, it can be a nice little touch, not only to add some warmth or color, a little bit of texture, but it can also help reduce that ambient noise in your environment, which is fantastic, especially if people are trying to chat and eat and have a nice conversation and you don't want all that background noise, right? So in addition to being great for use in a restaurant or a cafe environment, especially outdoors, right? So they're vinyl. They're also great at home. Say if you have little kids, you want something nice on the table, but also something that'll stand up to wear, tear, won't stain from spills, and is easy to clean. These make a great option, right? And they come in sets of 6, which makes them also a wonderful, affordable option as well.